Hello everybody! Today I'm doing another one of my art videos and I'm going to be showing you how to draw a hummingbird. So yeah, we're getting right into this thing. So right here, I just a few seconds ago showed you the photo that I'm going to be doing, and I mean, like, I can't even believe what I did. The photo was upside down, but that's okay because I'm going to be showing you how to draw it. So it doesn't really matter what the photo looks like because you're going to end up with a really cool drawing in the end anyways. So I'm curious, comment down below whether you like my videos better if they're a voiceover or if you like my videos better when they're just playing music. So I decided, since I didn't know, I'd do a little bit of both today. So I'm doing the intro and the outro, and I'm going to play some music for y'all. So let's get right into that music. Okay. Okay everybody, so I'm nearing the end of this video, so I'm going to go ahead and say bye to y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and for all my artsy people out there who want to learn how to draw, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are going to be the first person to get notified whenever I post a new video. Make sure you enjoy your amazing, easy to make hummingbird.